Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today you meet me on the tree-lined avenue on Selsea Avenue. Of course, this is number 27 Selsea Avenue here in Herne Bay. Of course, if you know the area, you'll know that you've got this seafront at one end and the shops at the other, and of course a short walk on from that is the train station here at Herne Bay. So this is a recently modernised and thoroughly refurbished 3-bedroom semi-detached family home found in a fantastic location here in Herne Bay. Now we come straight through into the main entrance hall here, and you'll see we've got that lovely modern finish, but even better, we've got that downstairs cloakroom, which is often not found in this sort of property, as this is a 1930s semi-detached family home. But of course here we've got it, which is incredibly convenient. Now, coming through the main entrance hall here, we can see we've got that lovely window there, just letting all of that natural light through. Of course, we've got the access point there through into the lounge, but we're going to start by taking a look here in the kitchen. We've got a nice, modern, up-to-date kitchen space here. Of course, we do have the space for the dishwasher there and the space for the washing machine as well. We've got that side access point there out to the rear of the garden, but of course just looking through the conservatory there we can see we've got a really nice sized garden, really lovely light and bright and sunny aspect here as well. So the kitchen itself, fantastic size. You've got of course the oven and the hob there, and of course the space for the dishwasher and the washing machine. Now, coming through next into the main lounge and dining area here, you can see we've got a real abundance of space. We've got that beautiful big bay window there at the front of the room, just overlooking the tree-lined Selsea Avenue, and of course the front garden and the driveway. So we'll spend a few moments taking a look at this lounge and dining space here. Then what we're going to do is going to go through into the conservatory the back of the property, which is a whacking great size. Then we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms that we've got in this property. So coming through into the dining area here, you can see fantastic amount of space. Just looking back down into the lounge area there, you can see plenty of space for the sofas, chairs, coffee tables, dining room table, plenty of it. And coming through here into the conservatory, it gives you a really nice amount of added bonus space as well, just overlooking the rear garden that, as you can see, has been recently landscaped and now offers a really nice easy option to maintain and enjoy. So let's go upstairs now, take a look at the bedrooms and the family bathroom here that we have with the property. Then we'll go outside into the rear garden and take a look at what we've got there. So here we are upstairs, and we start by taking a look in the main family bathroom. Of course, we've got here the large double shower unit, and of course the loo and sink unit there as well. Now, as you can see, we've got 3 bedrooms coming into bedroom number 3. This is a fantastic bedroom number 3 size. Of course, you've got the cupboard there as well, but what a fantastic size for a bedroom number 3. We've got that lovely viewpoint there over the rear garden, but plenty of space in here for a good size single bed, possibly even a double if you wanted it. And coming through now into bedroom number 2, yet again a really nice size room. This room, certainly enough space for a double bed here, and of course we've got the window there again, just overlooking the rear garden. So we'll finish up in bedroom number 2, go through into bedroom number 1 next, where of course you'll see we've got yet again another double-sized room. Coming back onto the landing here, of course we do have the access point to the loft, and coming through into bedroom number 1 here, we've got the continuation of that bay window found downstairs in the main lounge area. But this is a fantastic size room, nicely decorated. Of course, we've got the nice carpet there as well, which runs throughout the property. But of course, you're on this fantastic Selsea Avenue, really popular location, of course, with the seafront at one end and the shops at the other. So let's go back downstairs now, have one last look at the property, go out into the rear garden, to see exactly what we've got there and to recap a few points on this fantastic property. So here we are outside in the rear garden, and as you can see, we've got a really nice mixture of patio area and grassed area here. We do of course have the shed there at the end of the garden as well, but it's a really impressive amount of space here. Of course, you do have the gated access there just from the side of the property. Of course, that's attached to the main driveway space, but of course this is a newly refurbished 3-bedroom semi-detached family home found in Selsea Avenue here in Herne Bay. We really would ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a little bit more about this property, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.